Kay is tracking the return of winter. We usually like the market, but not in April.
I know, right? And now we've been upgraded, Erica, a winter storm warning for Lake and McHenry County because we could see 5 to 8 inches of snow along the Wisconsin state line. The areas in blue here could see up to 4 inches. Now, the storm track still has to come together, but right now it looks like the farther north you are, the better chance you have to see some very heavy, wet accumulating snow, especially for Lake and McHenry County. So here's how tomorrow is going to look. It's going to be a tale of two seasons. The heavy, wet snow to the north, that's going to have visibility near zero at times, snowfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour, and also the chance of thunder snow because of the intensity of those snow bands. Then we will have steady snows at times with some heavier bursts throughout both airports, really, and throughout Cook County. But then when you start heading south, it's going to be rain and maybe with some gusty thunderstorms moving through. The storm itself not quite together just yet, but the moisture in the plains is starting to get organized. When does it turn to snow? Well, it starts as rain mid-morning. Then by mid-afternoon through the evening, I really think from about 3 p.m. to sunset, that's going to be the real ramp up of all the snow. And the highest chance for accumulation really is going to be along I-88, places to the north. That's where we could see those slushy roads with some accumulation and poor visibility at times. It's a beautiful evening for now. We still have that westerly wind out there, 53 degrees. As we go through the night, the skies are generally clear, but then toward morning, we start seeing high clouds first, and then we're going to bring in rain first. And Futurecast does show that. So by 10 in the morning, we'll have rain. It starts mixing with snow far northwest, but by noon, we see that changeover start to happen, and it really is with us through the afternoon. But look south. That is a heavier downpour, maybe a thunderstorm as well. And the snow is continuing here on the north side of the system through 10 o'clock tomorrow night. Then it finally all moves away from us. So we are still carefully watching the storm track. When you wake up tomorrow, join Ed Curran right away. He's going to have the check on the latest track as it moves across our state. And it's going to be overhead much of the day tomorrow. Moves out beautifully for Sunday, though. Sunday is going to be a winning day. So when we look at model forecast numbers, those same areas that are under the watch and the warning, those are the favored spots to have the best chance for that slushy accumulation. So our weekend is split right down the middle. Rain and snow for your Saturday, only 45 degrees. We should be in the low 60s. But Erica, by Sunday, it's all a bad dream and it'll be over and the sun will return.
The sun just washes away all that.
It really does.
Makes us feel better. Thank you, Mary Kay.